A story of numbers. We have already studied regarding the story of numbers, evaluation of counting, evaluation of the numbers and the ancient numerous system, that is Roman numerals. So in today's class guys, we are going to study regarding the idea of base and place value representation. In place value representation, we are going to study regarding the many ancient number system except the Roman numerals. So hi everyone, this is Vani. In the next 20 minutes, we are going to cover these two topics. So let's start with today's session. Okay. What makes a base n number system? A story of numbers. We have already studied regarding the story of numbers, evaluation of counting and ancient number system, that is Roman numerals, in the previous session. In today's session guys, we are going to cover the idea of base and place value representation, in which we are going to cover the many other ancient number system except the Roman numerals. So hi everyone, this is Vani. In the next 20 minutes, we are going to cover these two topics. So let's start with today's session. First, what makes a base n number system? See, whenever we talk about the number system, we always talk in the powers, that it is 10 to the power something, 5 to the powers. So whenever we have to study regarding the number system also, you will observe a single pattern, that in each and every number system there is a pattern of 5 to the power n, 10 to the power n. But what makes this base n number system? N number system कैसे होता है, क्या होता है? Let's study about it. First, let's read out the definition. A number system is base n when the first landmark number is 1 and each landmark number is equals to current into n. Whenever हमारा what we can say first landmark number 1 होता है और सेकेंड लैंडमार्क होता है करंट इंटू एन, वी से ये हमारा नंबर सिस्टम बेस एन है. सी, लैंडमार्क नंबर 1 कब होगा? व्हेन वी विल टेक द पावर एज 0. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी नीड टू फाइंड द पावर्स ऑफ एन. फर्स्ट वी विल टेक एन टू द पावर 0. इससे व्हाट वी कैन से एन टू द पावर 0 इज 1. नेक्स्ट लैंडमार्क नंबर क्या होगा? इट विल बी n टू द पावर 1. Current into n. Current is 1 into n is n. What is next landmark number? N square. How? Current into n. N into n is n square. Third क्या होगा? N into n into n. Why? Because it will become basically n square into n. That is n cube. So whenever we talk about the number system base n, we always talk about the powers of n. That starts with 0 and it goes on continuous basis. Okay, what is landmark number? ये हम already last class में discuss कर चुके हैं. Now, for example, we are talking about the base 5. Base 5 means at the place of n, now we are taking n as 5. N can be 10, n can be anything, but it depends upon the base. Now we are taking base 5. N is 5. 5 to the power 0. 1. Next will become 5 into 1. That is 5. Next will become 5 to the 1 and 2 5. That is 5 square. Next will become 5 cube. Next will become 5 4. So it will continue like this, n to the power 0, n to the power 1, n square, n cube and so on. How we have to use this base n? How we have to use these things in the question? For example, you need to represent this 143. We have a question that represent this 143 into base 5 into n number system where n is 5. What we will do? See, सबसे ज़्यादा क्लोजेस्ट n 5 टू द पावर n कौन सी है? क्लोजेस्ट टू 143 वो है 125. It will become 125. Next, 143 minus 125 is 18. 18 हमारा अब भी बचा है. How we represent 18? 18 के सबसे क्लोज क्या है? 5 to the power 1. Can I write 18 as 5 plus 5 plus 5? But अब भी ये 15 हुआ है. 3 is still left. अब 3 के क्लोज सबसे ज्यादा कौन है? 1. How? We can write this 3 as 1 plus 1 plus 1. So this is how we can expand a number into the base n number system where n will be given to us. इस क्वेश्चन में हमारा n 5 था, तो n will vary upon question to question. In this can be written as 1 5 cube because 125 is 5 cube, 351, 351 and 350. This is how you can represent a number into any base number. This is all about the base n number system. Let's talk about the different types of number system. Okay, this is about the Egyptian number system and the notion of base. Instead of grouping in tens like the Egyptians, we can pick any number and group by it. So whenever we talk about Egyptian number system, Egyptian has taken the base as 10. But what we can do, we can take it as the base of 5 as we have studied. See, what they have done, they have taken it as, what we can do, we have taken the base as 5, which we have discussed further also. These are the values. And let's read out the definition again. Base n number system has landmark numbers where first landmark number is 1 and every next landmark number is current into n. This is just the detailed description of whatsoever we have studied in the last slide. Okay. How to represent 143 in base 5, we have already discussed it. As I said, आपको number and base दिया होगा, you just have to split it according to the base. Okay, let's move forward. Landmark numbers that are powers of 10. Around 3000 BCE, the Egyptians developed a written number system that used landmark numbers to group and represent a given number. They have used the base 10 this times. In 3000 BC, what Egyptians have done, Egyptians have used the base as 10 this time. In the previous slides, we have discussed with the base of 5. But this time, let's discuss is with the base of 10. The first thing that we have to remember is, जो first हमारी value होती है, it should be 1. So always start with n to the power 0. So it starts with 10 to the power 0, it is 1. 10 to the power 1 is 10, 10 square is 100, 10 cube is 1000, 10 4 is 10,000 and so on. We can go up to as many indefinite values we can until and unless हमारे पास कोई limitations नहीं दी गई हैं. Okay, now let's talk about the example that is 324. What you have to do now, what is given in the question, that we have to write this 324 as the base 10. अब हमें base 5 नहीं लिखना है. We have to write it as the base 10. What we will do? See, 300 को, see, अब हम 300 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 300 plus 20 plus 4. देखो, लैंडमार्क नंबर्स हमने पहले भी पढ़े हैं. 300 कोई लैंडमार्क नंबर नहीं है. What we have done always, we have split this 300 into 100, 100 and 100. 100 के सबसे ज़्यादा क्लोज क्या है? 100 ही. So let's write it as 100 plus 100 plus 100. We can write this 20 as 10 and 10. And this 4 as like this. Why we have not changed this 4? क्योंकि हमारे पास 4 के लिए इस पूरे में कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. So we will write 4 as it is. What it has become? It has become as 3 hundreds, 2 tens, 4 ones, that's all. Written using 300 symbols, 2 10 symbols and 1 4 symbol. Ones, tens, 100, you are already very much aware about this concept that we always read a number like this. Ones, tens, 100. For example, it has 1, so it will ones, tens, 100,000. 2, 10,000. So you already know how to read the numbers. That's how we have written it. Hundreds, tens and ones. This is the concept regarding the landmark numbers that are powers of 10. प्रीवियस स्लाइड्स में हमने स्टडी करा था लैंडमार्क नंबर्स दैट आर पावर्स ऑफ 5. ये लैंडमार्क नंबर्स हैं दैट आर पावर्स ऑफ 10. लेट्स रीड आउट अबाउट द मोर लैंडमार्क नंबर्स. हाउ इजिप्शियन न्यूमरल्स पावर ऑफ 10. सी, जब हमने रोमन न्यूमरल स्टडी करे थे, वी नो दिस थिंग कि हर रोमन न्यूमरल का एक रिप्रेजेंटेशन था. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट 10 लाइक दिस, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट 5 लाइक दिस, 1 लाइक दिस. सिमिलरली अगर हम इजिप्शियन रोमन न्यूमरल्स की बात कर रहे हैं, इनका भी कुछ रिप्रेजेंटेशन होगा. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द रिप्रेजेंटेशन. सी, 1 इज लाइक I, 10 इज दिस, 10 square is this, 10 cube is this, 10 4 is this, 10 5 is this, 10 to the power 6 is this, and 10 to the power 7 as this. This is the representation of different Egyptian Roman numerals, and remember that whenever we talk about this Egyptian numerals, we always talk about the powers of 10. Powers having the base 10. Okay. For example, take example 324. 324 we have discussed in the previous slides also, that is 300 plus 20 plus 4. Break it down as 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 10 plus 10 plus 4. So 300 symbols, 2 10 symbols, 4 1 symbols. This is how you can do the breakdown when you have the Egyptian Roman numerals, and these diagram shows us the representation of each landmark numbers having the base 10. Let's discuss the further regarding the Mesopotamian number system now. What we have studied in Egyptian Roman numerals, that they have a base of 10. But whenever we talk about the Mesopotamia number system, they have a base of 60. See, what is base of 60? Now what we have to do when we are taking base as 60? We will be writing it like this: 60 to the power 0 as 1. Whenever we talk about base n number system, first number हमेशा 1 होना चाहिए. For that we will always start with as 60 to the power 1. Next will be 60 square, next will be 60 cube, and next will be 60 to the power 4, and so on. Remember that in Mesopotamia number system, you always have a base as 60. Egyptian base 10, Mesopotamia base 60. Okay, next. They also have a sign. What's the sign? It has Y stands for 1 and this symbol stands for 10. In Egyptian Roman numerals, we have studied their representation in the previous slides. This is the representation of Mesopotamia number system. Okay. Let's read out one example, that is 640. Okay, how we will write 640? See, now we have to write it in the base of 60, not in the base of 5, not in the base of 10. Let's see. We can write this 640 as 60 into 10. It will become 600. What is left? 40 is left. Write 40 like this. What it has become? It has become 10 60s and 1 40. We don't have any particular representation for 40, so हमने 40 को ऐसे ही लिख दिया है. So what we have 10 60s and 1 40. Written using 10 wages for the 60s, group follows by the symbol of 40. So this is how you can represent a number using Mesopotamia number systems that have a base 60. Always remember, जब भी हम number systems की बात करेंगे, you should remember what is the particular base you have to take for a particular number system. आप Egyptian में base 60 नहीं ले सकते, Mesopotamia में base 10 नहीं ले सकते. So you always have to remember the base. कौन सा base use हुआ है? Let's talk about the another number, that is 7530. This is 2 into 3600 plus 5 into 60 plus 30. That is 2 3600s, 5 60s and 1 30. This is how we can write the number 7530. This is all about what we have gone through, the place value representation of Mesopotamia number system. Okay, let's move forward and let's talk about the why base 60 only. See, okay, Whenever we talk about that, we have 1 hour is 60 minutes, 1 minute is 60 seconds. Why only 30? What Mesopotamians has thought, they have thought that 60 एक ऐसा नंबर है जो easily divisible हो जाता है, जिसमें हम वी कैन से कि फ्रैक्शन, डेसिमल, सब किसी भी नंबर से उसको डिवाइड करना सबसे आसान रहता है. वर्किंग विथ 60 इज बेसिकली ईजी. सी व्हाट इज द थ्योरी बिहाइंड इट. It's basically linked to lunar month, that is when in a month we have 30 days. It is related to sun's yearly path, ease of fraction. As I told you कि 60 को divide करना basically आसान होता है, उससे work करना आसान होता है, and earlier sequence. That all collapsing to the powers of 60. Even जो इनका base 60 का concept है, हम इसको आज भी use करते हैं. Look at your clock. इसको हम आज भी यूज करेंगे कि 1 आवर में 60 मिनट्स होते हैं, 1 मिनट में 60 सेकेंड्स होते हैं. रीजन यही है बिकॉज मेसोपोटामियंस थॉट दैट 60 एक ऐसा नंबर है जिससे डील आउट करना आसान है, जिसका डिवाइड करना आसान है, फ्रैक्शंस आसान है. 60 का सीक्वेंस इज ईजी, सन्स ईयरली पाथ इज ईजी. सो वी हैव मेनी things that is related to 60. So that is the reason why we have taken this base as 60. Why still you have this thing? It is all related to Mesopotamian number system that was used thousands of years ago. Okay. Instead of new symbols for every power of 60, the position where a symbol is written shows whether it is 160 or 3600. So basically it is called that हम 640 को डायरेक्टली इस तरीके से ब्रेक कर सकते हैं. वी कैन राइट इट एज 1060 is 140. हमें बार बार 10 टाइम्स हमें 60 नहीं लिखना पड़ेगा कि 10 टाइम्स वी हैव टू राइट इट एट 60. नो, वी कैन डायरेक्टली राइट इट लाइक दिस, दैट वी हैव 1060s and 140. 1060 मतलब 10 into 60, 140 मतलब +40. हमें बार बार उसको अलग अलग रिप्रेजेंट करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं. This is the mean that why they have only taken this as base 60. Let's move forward. What we have now, the thing is why place value needs as 0. See, अब for example you have number 1, 2, that is 12. You have number 120. You have number 102. Now the thing is, can I say these all numbers are same? Obviously not. मैम ये तो सारे नंबर्स अलग है ना, ऑब्वियसली. सो सी गाइज, वाई वी नीड्स प्लेस वैल्यू नीड्स आर 0, जिससे वी कैन डिफाइन दैट हाउ मैनी प्लेसेस आर देयर इन अ नंबर. अगर हम फर्स्ट नंबर की बात करें, इट हैज़ 1s and 10s. सेकेंड में 1s, 10s and 100. थर्ड में ऑल्सो इट हैज़ 1s, 10s and 100. लेट्स राइट वन मोर नंबर, 1s, 10s, 100,000. अगर हम इसमें से 0 हटा दें, कैन यू से एवरी नंबर विल बिकम 12 इटसेल्फ? फिर इन नंबर्स में डिफरेंस ही क्या रह गया? कुछ भी नहीं. सो बेसिकली वी नीड 0 बिकॉज वी नीड्स टू फाइंड द पर्टिकुलर प्लेस फॉर एवरी नंबर. विदाउट अ सिंबल फॉर नथिंग हियर, अ ब्लैंक हैड टू शो अ मिसिंग पावर ऑफ 60. सी, कंपेयर दिस एग्जाम्पल. यू हैव 12, यू हैव 602. 12 और 602 are two different numbers, but अगर मैं इसमें से ये 0 हटा दूँ, it will become 62. 3 डिजिट नंबर 2 डिजिट नंबर बन चुका है, जिसमें हमें नहीं पता, जिसमें हमारी बेसिकली अब सिर्फ 1s और 10s बचेंगी. बट अगर हमारा 602 होता तो 1s, 10s, 100s होते. सो टू पर्टिकुलरली डिफाइन ईच डिफरेंट प्लेस ऑफ अ नंबर, वी नीड्स अ 0. इन मेसोपोटामिया, a placeholder symbol marked a blank position. For example, you have 102. So in this blank position, they marked a symbol. They don't write 0, they marked a symbol. In Maya, that is Central America, independently invented seashell placeholder for 0. So Maya is a Central America में number system है. It is a different kind of number system. They always talk about the base 20. What they have done at the place of 0, they make a seashell shaped placeholder. They don't like 0, they make something like seashell. And when we talk about India, 0 become a far more than a placeholder. We always, a full number you can add, subtract or multiply with. If you have a 0, you can add a number, subtract a number, multiply a number, divide a number. You can do any kind of arithmetic operation when you have a 0. So this is all about why place value needs a 0. This is the thing we have discussed here. Next is the different kind of number system, that is Mayan number system. They almost use a base as 20. See, whenever we have discussed different types of number system till yet, they all use different kinds of number system, or you can say they all use different kinds of base. So whenever we talk about what we can say, the Mayan number system, they almost take a base as 20. Why almost 20? See, 20 to the power 0, 1. 20 to the power 1 is 20. But what is 20 square? 20 square is 400. Why they have taken 360 now? Now the question is, why 360 at the place of 400? Why they have not taken 400? See, because most of the scholars connects this with the Mayan calendar. The third landmark number is 360, not 400, because some scholar link this to the calendar. Don't get confused, they have not used this as base 20, they have written it as almost base 20, because उसकी third value जो 20 square है वो 400 नहीं होगी, that will be 360, and the reason is this. Further, let's read out the example. 360 place 4 bar. Okay, also one thing what we have in Mayan number system, they use three things: dot for 1, bar for 5, next we have a shell, let me make it like shell has like this, as a placeholder for 0. This is the three representations of the Mayan number system. For you have 360 place, you will write 4 bars like this, 1 2 3 4, each bar represents 5. We have studied different kinds of representation of different number systems, and this is the representation of Mayan number system. Remember that Mayan number system have a almost base 20, not exactly base 20. This is all about the Mayan number system. Let's read about the Chinese road numerals. See, developed by at least 3rd century AD and used till the 17th century, Chinese road numbers were a base 10. They again talk about the base 10. Okay. With two alternating set of symbols. Now when we talk about Chinese number system, they are dealing with base 10 only, but they have a two alternating set of symbols, that is Hong and Zeng. What are Hong? What are Zeng? See, Hong means vertical strokes, used for units, 100, 10,000 and thousands places. When we have anything, for example, basically odd powers of 10 starting from 0, when you have to represent any vertical stroke like the places units, hundreds, 10,000, we write it as Hong. And when we have to write a vertical stroke in which we have tens, thousand, hundreds, thousand, we use Hang. Hong and Hang are the two different alternating names that we are going to use in Chinese Roman numerals. For example, you have number this 2634. What we have first, we have vertical stroke, that is ones. Ones means 10 to the power 0, it will become Hong into 1. 3, Hang into 10. 6, Zong into 100. Next is 2, that is Hang into 1000. So whenever you are talking about Chinese road numbers, you always write the number as Hong and Hang. Hong means vertical stroke, Hang means horizontal stroke. Don't forget to write these terms. These two terms are important whenever you talk about the Chinese number system. Hang होता है vertical strokes के लिए, Zong होता है Hang होता है horizontal strokes के लिए और Zong होता है vertical strokes के लिए. This is all about the Chinese number system, and the next is Hindu number system. Hindu number system हम सबको पता है, if we have a number, we can write it in the form of hundreds, tens and thousands. Ones. 3 डिजिट नंबर्स है तो उसको हम 1000 की फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं, 2 डिजिट 4 डिजिट्स है, सो ये नंबर टू नंबर डिपेंड करता है। हमें पता है कि हम हिंदू नंबर सिस्टम में बात करते हैं तो इट स्टार्ट्स विद वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000 एंड सो ऑन। फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू हैव अ नंबर 375 वंस, टेंस, 100। वंस का मतलब इंटू 1, टेंस का मतलब इंटू 10, हंड्रेड्स का मतलब इंटू 100, थाउजेंड्स होता तो हम उसको इंटू 1000। सो हिंदू नंबर सिस्टम में हम हमेशा राइट एंड से स्टार्ट करते हैं और हम उसको रीड करते हैं एज वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000 एंड लाइक दिस। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द हिंदू नंबर सिस्टम। फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमारे पास नंबर है 550, so it will become ones, tens, 100. You can't read it as 55, नहीं, 55 का मतलब है ones and tens, but 550 का मतलब है ones, tens and 100. You can connect this slide with the previous slides we have studied that y placed value needs a 100, needs a 0. अगर यहाँ हमने 0 नहीं लिखूंगी so it will become ones and tens. Due to 0 it is becoming ones, tens and 100. This is all about the Hindu number system that are tens digits and a true 0. Let's discuss the recap. Okay guys, so whatever we have studied regarding the story of numbers, evaluation of counting, ancient number systems. So we have studied different kinds of number system जो Roman है, Egyptian, Mesopotamian, Chinese, Hindu number system, and every number system is using different bases. बेस कैसे यूज होते हैं, हाउ वी आर टेकिंग इट एज n to the power 0 से further. We all have discussed these things in this session. So let's have a quick recap of the session. Base n number system uses the power of n as landmarks. This is what makes both writing and commuting with numbers efficient. Mesopotamians, Mayans, Chinese independently invented a place value system long before contact them was possible. Placeholder symbols for nothing removes ambiguity. Brahman Gupta went further and gave 0 full stack as a number in 628 CE. Hindu number system, tens digit place value 0 is one of the history's greatest invention and is now used everywhere in the world. So Hindu number system, जो Hindu number system is now using everywhere in the world because basically maths में बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ होता है, हर जगह यूज़ हो रहा है, because basically we are dealing with this thing, ones, tens and 100 and so on. Let's have a quick summary regarding this. Count, how we have count in groups of a single numbers, count using landmark numbers, choose power as landmark numbers, that is base of idea, use position to show which landmark numbers belongs to which place, and treat 0 as a both positional digit and a true number. Basically, this is all about what we have studied in the story of numbers in both the sessions combined. This is just a quick recap of the numbers, story of the numbers. So in the next sessions, we will be doing the question based on this video. If you have not watched the first lecture, guys, go and watch it, solve the questions, and let's wait for the next slide. Then in that slide, we are going to discuss, in the next session, we are going to discuss the question based on that. Thank you everyone. If you like it, so please like and subscribe.